In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer your store from Big Cartel to Shopify quickly and easily. This process helps you move your products, customers, and store data to Shopify so you can take advantage of its advanced e-commerce features. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account or create a new store if you haven't already done that. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings in the lower left corner of the screen. Then select Apps and Sales Channels. Next, click on Shopify App Store to open the marketplace for Shopify apps. In the search bar, type Cart to Cart Store Migration and select the app from the search results. Now click Install to add the migration app to your Shopify store. Shopify may ask you to approve permissions before continuing, so confirm the installation. After the app opens, choose Big Cartel as your source cart and Shopify as your target cart. Next, enter your Big Cartel store URL along with the required account details so the app can access your existing store data. Then confirm your Shopify store information as the destination for the migration process. Once everything is connected, select the data you want to transfer, such as products, customers, orders, categories, and images. After reviewing the migration settings, start the transfer process and wait for the migration to complete. The time required depends on the size of your store and the amount of data being transferred. When the migration finishes, review your Shopify store carefully to make sure all products, images, and customer information were imported correctly. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Big Cartel store to Shopify.